Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move layers in Alight Motion. If you're new to Alight Motion and you don't know how to move layers in it, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Alight Motion app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to create a new project or click on Projects to open your existing projects. Here you can see two layers in this project, layer 1 and layer 2. Now to move the layers, simply you'll have to select the layer and long press on it and move wherever you want to. You can also move the layer in the topmost layer and make it the first layer like this. And now if we play our video, it'll look like this. Now if we want to play the first layer earlier, what you can do is long press on the first layer and bring it all the way to the beginning. As you can see, we have successfully moved the layers in Alight Motion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.